Welcome friends. In this second webinar session on Joy with Mathematics, I am Dr. Gajanan Hanorkar, HOD from Department of Mathematics, Raj Shikshan Sanstha, Karmuri Vaura Patil, Vasi. In this sequel of this webinar, in last webinar we have discussed some funny result from mathematics. Now in this current webinar also we have to go through some funny result. That means we have to create joy of mathematics. We will learn joy with mathematics. As per our current scenario, I will discuss some result. Before this, I will recall our objective. Our objective of this webinar session, Joy with Mathematics, is to create interest of mathematics in school level students and to develop mathematical thinking with their modulation in college level student with applied way. Now in this current webinar we will discuss some important results on this mathematics. As per our current situation of this COVID-19, and we are knowing that in worldwide rate of this COVID-19 goes on increasing exponentially. Therefore, this is a growth model. Mathematically, we are saying that this is a growth model, and we can modulate this mathematically as we will suppose that this is our rate of growth of this COVID-19 affecting on the people proportional to affected people at that time. Now we will suppose we be a COVID-19 affected people at time t, and we will suppose here V0 be initial COVID-19 people, affected people. Now therefore, by using our growth model, we can form a differential equation. This is rate of change of this is directly proportional to V. This K is a proportionality constant. Therefore, we will write here dV by dt is equal to K into V. This K is positive. This is important. Therefore, this is growth model. K is positive. Now one can easily know, those who have completed their 12 with mathematics, is knowing how to solve this equation by using variable separable form. Now my aim is to analyze this solution mathematically, because we are finding their solution, and after this our aim to analyze this solution graphic, and I will use here graph, and by using this graph we will try to analyze, we will try to modulate this solution. What will be main aim of this graph, or how to overcome of this increase of this or exponential growth of this COVID-19, and then we will discuss this. Now how to find this solution? This is a dV by dt which is equal to K into V. We will use here variable separable form, and then we will get our variable separable as dV by dt is equal to K into dt. We can integrate this. Integration of this with respect to V is log V, and with respect to t is here kt plus this integrating constant c. Now this is log V is equal to kt plus c. I will write V is equal to e raised to power kt plus c. Now again I will split up this e raised to power this exponent as e raised to power kt plus e raised to power kt into e raised to power c, and this both are constant. Therefore I will create this capital A as constant. Now I will put here initial condition. Using initial condition, V is equal to V naught at time t equal to 0. This is V1. V0 is the initial condition, and this from this we will get A is equal to V0. Now from this we will get our solution. Now one can find easily solution up to this, because we are knowing mathematical solution of this. But how to analyze this mathematical solution? Now V is equal to V naught e raised to kt, and K is greater than 0. That's why we are getting this exponential graph V naught at V is equal to 0, and we are getting exponential. Now this graphical model is there. Now when we analyze this graphical model, this K is very important. Now this K is positive. Due to this K positive, this graph goes on increasing when time goes on increasing. This V goes on increasing with respect to time. Now that means here affecting people goes on increasing when time goes on increasing. Then again one solution is the lockdown solution. What is purpose of this lockdown solution? What this role plays for this graph lockdown position playing here, or what doctors they are doing? What is the role of mathematician to observe this model? Now here this k is greater than 0. This k is greater than 0. That means we are getting this graph as increasing. This graph is increasing, that means this never tends to 0. That means this is the unstable model. This is not normalizing here. This is the unstable model, and this unstable model is because of this k is greater than 0. Now here mathematicians they will say that this is only unstable model because this k is greater than 0. Now k is greater than 0 means one can say that in language of eigenvalues, eigenvalue is a positive. This eigenvalue is positive, therefore this is unstable. Therefore this model is unstable model. Then this is observation by mathematician, eigenvalues is positive, therefore this is an unstable model. Now what will be observation by engineer? This is an unstable model. Now this unstable model we have to superpose some signals, and by using the superposition of this signal, moreover low frequency signal, and by using this low frequency signal we have to modulate, we have to convert this model into stability. We have to convert this model into stability. Then what now doctors they are doing? What is opinion of this doctor? Now what doctor doing here? Doctor they are, again our aim is to stabilize this model because this is increasing, goes on increasing exponentially. We have to stabilize this. To stabilize this, what doctor they are doing? They are trying to convert unstable model into stability by using injecting, by vaccination of this, or by using immunity power by in terms of their injection. And first suppose giving their injection, and suppose this graph is again going decreasing now, because again here as per the engineer's language we are superposing this low frequency and this goes on decreasing. That means this k is greater than 0. That means we are trying to convert this k negative or k tending towards 0. More or this k is negative, then this becomes a stability. Now this first vaccine we are getting here, by this vaccination we are getting here up to this. Suppose again this is not converted into normalized, depending on situation of that patient and depending on situation of, you can again vaccinate and try to vaccinating this, that means we are increasing their immunity power. Now remember this, mathematically we are increasing immunity power means we are trying to convert this k into negative way, k into negative form. Negative form means this becomes stable. If k, we are doing that, this k is a positive, eigenvalue is positive, then this is unstable. K is a negative, this becomes a stable. That means engineers, doctors and mathematicians, our aim is same, that is we have to convert into stability, and doctor they are injecting, they are giving vaccines, and by using that they are converting into stable model, and then this converting into stability. Got it? And in this way this COVID-19, we can control this COVID-19 by help of this mathematical model, again by taking injection, by increasing their immunity power. We are increasing immunity power, that means we are converting this graph, this unstable model into stability. This is the understanding of this exponential model in mathematical way. Okay, now after this we will go towards again another puzzle. Now this puzzle one can hear, that means 10 students easily they can solve this. This is simple question, but we will try to solve this one, and easily we will not solve this. If you are trying this, then again you can try this. Easily we will not find this answer. We have to apply some logic and then easily we will get it. Consider square, and we have to find out area of this shaded region, this blue shaded region, dark region. We have to find area. Now how to find it? here sides are given, this side here 5 and after this is the 10, that means this is square of side length 15. This is as per given figure. Now how to solve this? How to find area of this blue part? Now to find area of this blue part, what we'll do first, we'll find area of this triangle I am saying. We can find area of this triangle. We can easily find because this base is known, height is known by using this, and this is right angle triangle. By using this we can easily find. Now after this we can find area of this triangle. Now we can find area of this triangle easily. Means here if we are knowing area of this triangle, then we can multiply by 4, we will get area of all these 4 triangles. Now when we are finding area of this triangle, and this triangle, then this small triangle is there in common. Small triangle is there in common. Now we have to find area of this small triangle. This is our duty only. And we are subtracting this from this our whole area because this is common area triangle. Small triangle is common area, and then we will get area of this shaded region. This is our job. Now to go towards our this problem, we will try to find out one by one. First of all, I will try to find out area of this whole square. From this, I will find area of this these four big triangles. I will find area of only one triangle and then multiply by 4. Okay, let us will go step by step. Now length is given in this ABCD square. Length of AB is 15 and all sides, this is square, all sides are 15. Therefore area of this big square is 15 square, which is equal to 2 to 5. This is our first area we are getting. Now we will find area of small triangles. Here I am taking, this is our triangle, this is our triangle. We will find area of triangle. I will find area of any triangle and then I will multiply by 4. Here, depending on this formula, we will get here area 1 by 2, 5 into 15. We will get here area of first triangle, and then we are getting area of 4 triangles. Up to this is easy. Now here this is again second triangle, this is second triangle, means here the first 2 and these 2 4 triangles. Now our duty is to find out area of this small triangles. I am shaded here by pink color, and we have to find the area of this small triangle. Now how to find out this area? To find this area, we will do, first of all I will try to find out, I will consider first of all this big pink triangle, means I am giving name of this pink triangle as MCB. This is our big triangle MCB. This is right angle triangle. Now what I will take, I will measure this angle M. First we will find this measure of this angle M from this triangle C and B from this triangle. How to find out this? Now here we are knowing this side and this side. 2 sides are known, then we can easily find out this measure by using tan. Here tan M is equal to, I say this is measure M, and tan M is equal to CB divided by CM. CB divided by CM, therefore we are getting tan M is equal to 3. Easily we will get M as, this measure of this M as tan inverse of 3. Yes, I mean this measure is known. What is our aim? Our aim is to find out area of this small pink triangle. Therefore first I am finding this M. Now if we are finding measure of this angle M, now I will consider this small triangle, and from this triangle we will get this relation. Now I will take this small triangle here, CMP. I am taking this CMP triangle, and again we are knowing that this M is common. This M is common, and measure of this M, already we are knowing that tan M is equal to 3, or M is equal to tan inverse of 3. Now I am using this triangle, and this angle is known. If this angle is known, one side is known. Now I will use here sine formula. Sine M. Sine M is equal to, now this CP divided by Cm. Cp divided by now here this m, this p, Cpm is a right angle triangle. Cpm is right angle because this is again square. This blue part is square. Opposite angles are same. Therefore, this is again right angle triangle Cpm, and I am using here. This becomes a hypotenuse here. Therefore, I will use here sin m. Sin m for this is this Cp front side divided by hypotenuse Cm. Now this is Cp divided by Cm. From this we will get Cp. Cp is equal to 5 sin m. Now what is m? M is equal to, from this we can find m is equal to tan inverse of 3. Therefore I will write here 5 into sin of tan inverse of 3. By using calculator in radian form, we will get here 4.743416. Now cos m. Again I will find cos m because m is known, m is common here. Already we are knowing this m. M is the tan inverse of 3. Now here again I will find cos m. How to find out cos m? This is adjacent side, MP or PM divided by CM. Here PM divided by CM, which is then PM is equal to 5 into cos m. Now if we will take this right angle triangle CPM, now this base is known, height is again known. Therefore easily we can find area of this red triangle. And here cos m, we can find cos m is equal to 5 into cos tan inverse of 3, and we get this value. By using calculator I am getting this value. Now area of this triangle is equal to 1/2 PM into CP, which is equal to 1/2. I am putting value of PM and CP, which is already calculated. This is equal to 3.75 actually we are getting here. 3.75 if we are putting all these values up to all decimal places, and then this we have to find out now 4 pink triangles. Therefore total area for the 4 pink triangle is equal to 50. Now all these areas are known. This big triangle, big square, then small triangle, then the big triangle, and then I will write here, I will put by using equation 1, 2 and 3, we will get area of this shaded region is equal to area of this big square minus area of this big triangle plus I am adding, because this is common area, and in the common part the small area is here. Therefore I am adding here 4a area of triangle CPM. This is 225 minus 150 plus 15, which is equal to 90. And this is your area of shaded region. Got it? Now if you have doubt, you can put this doubt in on chart mode. I will help you. Now again we will discuss in the sequel of this webinar. Next webinar we will discuss again new puzzles, new mathematical models. Okay, thank you.